In this video, I will show you how to fix EA Sports FC27 not opening or launching in phone. So if you're facing this error, the first thing that you need to check is your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable and smoothly functioning Wi-Fi, or you could try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. Then the next thing that you can do is simply click and hold on to the FC mobile app. Then click on more features. Then go to app info. From here click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. From here click on clear cache. After that what you can do is go to settings, scroll till the end. Then check your about devices. From here check your storage, and if your storage is completely full, then the app might have some problem running. You can simply delete up some unnecessary files or apps or videos, etc. Then go back, then click on system and update. Then go to software update. From here check if your phone is due for an update or not. If it is fully up to date, then what you can do is simply click and hold on to the FC mobile app. Then click on uninstall, then confirm it. Then go to Play Store. After that install the app again. And last thing that you can do is click and hold on to your power button. From here turn the slider upwards. After that your phone will restart and then the app should start functioning. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.